Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Mrs. G Living, the hostess with the mostest. I created this channel for all of my shoe lovers out there, as well as to explore my own love of shoes, as well as an outlet for what's going on in today's current society. So if you like shoes or you like what you see, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel and watch for future videos. So who does not like shoes? If that's you, then this is the wrong place to be. There's three things I look for when buying shoes: style, quality, and price. So let's get into this Fresh Prince of Bel-Air style. And before we begin, let me do my little two-step, my little happy dance for the love of shoes. So these are the first sandals. They are YSL or the Yves Saint Laurent sandals. Cassandras. I originally purchased them at a Century 21 store for $4.09, and the original price is $7.95 if you go online. These are in a size 39, and I am typically an 8.5, but I tend to buy my shoes a little bit bigger or especially sandals, because I like to have room in my sandals and I hate to see my toes like at the tip of the shoe. So these are black, they're patent leather, they have the YSL design at the front. If I had to rate these from a 1 to 5, 1 being dislike, 5 being strongly love as far as style, I would definitely give these a 5 because these are classics. 2, as far as price, definitely a 3 because $4.09 is nothing to sneeze at. And 3, as far as quality, definitely a 5 because they are a quality piece that I could see will withstand the time. So my next shoe, let's get into it, is the Alexander Wang Sorel calf sandals. Once again, I bought these in a size 39. The original price is $5.95, but I end up purchasing these for $2.60. I love the classic black silhouette, and I definitely love the silver hardware, and that's what attracted me to these shoes. I kind of like standout pieces, so I would rate these for style a 5, strongly dislike. As far as price, a 5 because they were under $300. They were $260 to be exact with no tax. And then as far as quality, they are very durable, and you can feel the weight on these shoes. So I would definitely rate them a 5. So I would definitely say these are one of my go-to sandals for the summer. And I'll make sure to put the name in the description box just in case you want to purchase this. So my next shoe, and I'm getting ready, getting prepared to show the next shoe. The next shoe is, and I, had to actually search for these online because they are from seasons past, which I don't mind buying shoes from seasons past. These actually are from Nostrum Rack, and these are the All Saints Gladiator Heel Sandals Osuna Black. Now, they were listed in Nostrum Rack for $348, but I end up getting these shoes for roughly around $100, pre-loved. So I was definitely excited about that. So I actually bought these pre-loved from a seller online. Let's just look how sexy they are. Can we just get into it? Like, look at that. Look at the block heel. Look at the silver hardware, the buckles. Once again, I bought these in a size 39, and I'm usually 8.5, so these are roughly a 9. I could not pass up on these shoes. Now, the original seller said they were heavy, but they don't feel heavy on my feet. They are very comfortable to walk in. As far as style, I would give these a 5 because they are just a standout piece. As far as price, come on, $100, like 5. And as far as quality, they're definitely a quality piece shoe, so I would also give it a 5 as well. Now, I would never have these shoes in my collection if I didn't love them. So most of the shoes that I'm showing you is because I really love them, and it's rare for me to find shoes or purchase shoes that I don't like. I'm very intentional. I'm older, up there in age, and I'm very intentional with the shoes that I purchase at this point. So for me, I'm moving on to more quality shoes instead of having quantity, if you know what I mean. So the next shoe is definitely a classic. It's a Tori Burch Reva sandals. I probably bought this a few years ago, maybe 5 years ago. The original price for these shoes or sandals that are still out is $198. I end up buying these from the Nordstrom rack for $138. These are a sky blue or a royal. These are more of a blue sandal. As far as style, I love the emblem on the Tori Burch shoes. So as far as style, I would give it a 4. As far as price, yeah, it was $138, but I wish I caught it for a better deal. I like to have deals that are like 50% or more. I like to buy my shoes on sale. I don't make any, I am happy when I find a shoe on sale. I do not like buying shoes full price. And I'm not going to apologize for that. And as far as the quality, they are a good quality piece, but I would have to give it a 3 because they do not stay on my feet. And I don't know if I'm the only one that has a problem with that, but they are just very challenging to keep on my feet, so I don't go for them or wear them often. The next shoe is, Zara. Now, I know these are due for the Hermes, I think, sandals, but when trendy shoes come out, I tend to look at Zara's or Steve Madden's for these because, sometimes a girl can't drop $600 or $700. Let me move the plan out of the way so you can get a full view of these shoes. So these are a animal print shoes. They are flat. They are extremely comfortable. Whenever I said I'm looking for a dupe, Zara's and Steve Madden is the place to go because I find them to be extremely affordable. These were I think $49.90. I bought them last year in the sale, however, and I bought them for $25.90. And these are size 39 as well because Zara's only sells the European size. And so I tend to get like a 39 in the shoes, and I love these. Style, price, and quality, 5 across the board. Can't get more affordable than Zara's. So what I'm really wearing, I am really loving these Fila Granddaddy Daddy sandals. I bought them in the summer from Burlington Coat Factory for $20, and I love them. I love them. I love them. I love them. The affordability, it's comfortable. Of course, I would have loved the Chanel Dad sandals, but once again, my currency, my coins, I cannot, I got to hang my hat, like my dad said, where I can reach. And at this point, I can't afford to drop thousands of dollars on a Chanel Dad sandal that is sold out. So in the meantime, I'm going to rock these Filas and love them. And when I tell you I love them, I've been wearing them nonstop. I just regret not getting the white. They had a white version when I bought it in the summer, and I just didn't want to stay on that Burlington Coat Factory line because those lines be long as hell. And I just no, I'm just gonna get these and call it a day. My next shoe is these Melissa gold bow sandals. I bought these maybe a year ago from, once again, I think they were the Bloomingdale outlet. And the original price was $55, and I think I ended up spending $25 for these shoes and these sandals, and I just thought they were cute. They're a gold metallic, and they have the little bows on the side, and I just think they are cute. Now, I bought these in a size 8, and as you can see, the back of my feet is at the tip of the heel, and this is why I like to go up a size because I just, that annoys me. It just annoys me when it's right there at the tip. I can't be the only one who's annoyed by this, but they are some cute sandals, and I really love them, and they're very comfortable, and they add just a pop of that pizzazz to your outfit, to a plain outfit. So I really love these shoes. The next and final is what I'm really wearing. Like what I'm really wearing. I would trade in all the other shoes for this one sandal. And guess what? I bought them from Walmart for $10. Like, I love comfortable shoes. I cannot stress it enough. Like, yeah, I love the luxury, but if you're not comfortable, like, that will prevent me from buying shoes. Look at me moonwalking. Gosh, and these are my house slippers. I love them. 555 across the board. So the game is over. It's a wrap. The end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to like and subscribe and stay tuned for future videos like this. Thank you and have